Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, today we will start chapter number 3. Name of chapter number 3 is working with objects. Objects means pictures, clip art, word art. Okay, these are the objects. So, this in this chapter we will learn how we can work with these objects. Okay, open your books, page number 25, chapter 3. Okay, let's start reading. Children, pictures or images can be an integral part of document and it is easy to insert a picture into your worksheet. जो pictures और हमारी images होती हैं वो हम document में add कर सकते हैं उसे और attractive बनाने के लिए. Picture and images are the basic types of graphics that you can use to enhance your documents. Drawing objects, smart art, charts, pictures and clip art. अपनी डॉक्यूमेंट को और सुंदर और अच्छा बनाने के लिए हम पिक्चर्स और इमेजेस को ऐड कर सकते हैं. Picture images like that, drawing objects, you can draw in pen and then you can add in your document. Smart art, these are some given images, charts, pictures and clip art. These can be inserted into a document from many different sources such as first, download it from a clipart website provider. Clipart is some ready-made images in your computer you can use. Copied from a web page, you can use internet and download some images. Inserted a saved picture, otherwise you can draw a picture in your computer you can transfer from your other computer or phone and these saved pictures you can insert. You can change and enhance these objects with colors, patterns, borders and other effects. You can insert these pictures with different patterns, different borders or different colors. First topic, insert an object or image. You can insert clip art and pictures in your document. To insert a picture, follow these steps. Step first, in your Word document, a menu will appear. File, insert, or in place of home, file maybe home will be there. Okay, so next is page layout, other different menus. Click on insert menu, pictures button under illustration group. Firstly, the step first is click on insert tab, then picture option. The insert dialog box appears. Step 2. Click on drop down arrow to choose the location of the picture. Step 3. Select the required picture. A new window will appear with many pictures. So, choose any pictures like you want to choose it and click on insert button. Okay? Step 4. Click on insert button. The picture will get inserted at cursor position. Cursor means जहाँ पे आपका pointer था उस pointer पे आपकी picture insert हो जाएगी. Clear? Next is insert clip art. To insert a clip art, follow these steps. Step first, click on insert menu. Same, click on insert menu. Okay. Same, first step is same, click on insert menu. Then clip art button. And under illustration group. The clip art task pane appear on the right side of the document. जो आपका डॉक्यूमेंट है इसके साइड में एक क्लिप आर्ट की विंडो ओपन हो जाएगी. ओके, हियर इज अ सर्च बॉक्स. Type a word. Step 2. Type a word or phrase that describes the desired clip art in the search box. Text box, or for example, animals. Means in this search box, write the word related to clip art which you want to insert or which you want to search. Like you want to search animals, flowers or plants. So, write words here. Like you. Animals. Okay, you can type here animals and click on search box. Click on go button. Step 3, click on go button. A list with various options appears. एक यहाँ पर आपके बहुत सारे ऑप्शन आपको appear हो जाएंगे. Means many option of related to search word. Step 4. Click the selected clip art to insert it in your document. जो clip art आपको चाहिए वो आप उस पर आप क्लिक कर दीजिए, वो आपकी डॉक्यूमेंट में इंसर्ट होकर आ जाएगी. ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 27. Working with auto shapes. The auto shapes feature help you to draw different shape in your document. ऑटो शेप फीचर आपको बहुत सारी अलग अलग डिफरेंट टाइप शेप को डॉक्यूमेंट में इंसर्ट करने के लिए हेल्प करता है. फर्स्ट, ऐड, चेंज और डिलीट शेप्स. You can add one or more shape to your document or combine multiple shapes to make a drawing with available shapes that include lines, basic geometric shapes, arrows, equation shapes, flowchart shapes, stars, banners and callouts. आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स में डिफरेंट सिंगल इमेज जो शेप है वो भी ऐड कर सकते हो, ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, या मल्टीपल शेप्स भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. इन शेप्स में बहुत सारी शेप आती हैं, लाइक लाइंस हैं, बेसिक आपकी जियोमेट्रिक शेप्स हैं, इक्वेशंस हैं, एरोज हैं, लाइक ओके लाइन है आपकी, एरोज हैं, स्क्वायर, ट्रायंगल, ओके डिफरेंट शेप्स आर देयर. You can add text, bullets, numbers and quick style to edit these shapes. To add shape, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab, Shapes under Illustration group. A pop-up menu appears with various drawing options. Step 3 is click on required shape to select. Click anywhere in the document and then drag to place the shape. Means firstly click on Insert tab. Then here option is there, Shapes. When you click on this, a new window will appear with many shapes. Like that, okay. So, click on any shape which you want, like we want here. Drag your pointer downside. सबसे पहले इंसर्ट टैब पे क्लिक करें, देन शेप ऑप्शन. उसके बाद बहुत सारी शेप आपको शो होंगी स्क्रीन पर. जो शेप आपको चाहिए उसे सिलेक्ट करो और उसे अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में ड्रॉ करो. टू ऐड टेक्स्ट टू द ऑटो शेप. और आपको शेप में क्या करना है, टेक्स्ट ऐड करना है. MS Office allow you to add text to the auto shape. To add text, follow these steps. Step 1, select the auto shape. Step 2, right click on the shape. A pop-up menu appears. Step 3, click on add text option. Then type your text. Means आपको इसमें अब क्या करना है, टेक्स्ट ऐड करना है, आपको कुछ इसमें राइट करना है. So firstly, select it, click in this, then right click and new menu will appear. Here option will be there to add text. Click on add text and type text here. Okay. Next, to resize, rotate or move the shape, follow these steps. Step 1, select the shape. Resizing handle appear. Step 2, click it and drag according to requirement. Means जब भी आप किसी शेप को select करते हो, हमने एक शेप बनाई, Okay students, when we click on this shape to select it, this type of circle you can see on shape. Okay, so these are resizing handle. These are called resizing handle. So click on these and you can move it accordingly, or you can draw according to your requirement. You want to large in size or you want to small. Next, add a shape style to the drawing. Quick styles are combination of different formatting options and are displayed in a thumbnail in the various quick style galleries. क्विक स्टाइल एक कॉम्बिनेशन है बहुत सारी फॉर्मेट या थंबनेल का जो आपको क्विकली मिल जाता है स्टाइल गैलरीज में. टू ऐड अ क्विक स्टाइल टू योर शेप, फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स. Step 1, click on the shape that you want to apply a new different quick style to. Step 2, click shape style, more arrow under drawing tools on the format tab. The format auto shape window appear. Step 3, choose the option that you want. The selected style will add to the shape. Step 4, click on fill effects button to add more effect to the drawing. आपको बहुत सारे इफेक्ट के, कोई बैकग्राउंड कलर उसका चेंज करना है, कोई इफेक्ट उसमें ऐड करना है, तो हम उसमें बहुत सारे इफेक्ट ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओके, when you click here, a format tab will appear. From that you can use styles or format. Okay, a new window will appear with many options. Select any format. It will apply in your image. Okay students, for today it is enough. Next topic.